In today's video, we'll be going over how to set up Folk CRM for small businesses. If you're looking for a simple and effective CRM solution that won't overwhelm you, stick around because I'll be breaking it down step by step. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to get started with Folk CRM and take advantage of everything it has to offer for your business. Before we dive into the setup, let me mention that you can start using Folk CRM for completely free, along with some exclusive bonuses, by using the first link in the description below. Now, Folk CRM is designed with small businesses in mind, offering a straightforward interface and easy-to-use features that won't take a lot of time to learn. It's perfect for those who want to manage customer relationships without feeling bogged down by complicated tools. To get started, the first thing you'll need to do is create your account. Head over to the Folk CRM website, sign up with your email, and verify your account. Once you're in, you'll be greeted by the dashboard, which gives you an overview of your contacts, deals, and tasks. Right off the bat, you'll see how clean and intuitive the layout is. No clutter, just what you need. Next, let's set up your contacts. This is where Folk CRM truly shines. Import your existing contacts through CSV files, or if you're starting from scratch, you can add them manually. Folk CRM also lets you segment contacts by custom tags, which is super helpful for organizing your clients into groups. For example, you could have tags for prospects, active clients, or follow-up needed. This makes it easy to quickly filter and find the people you need. Once your contacts are in place, it's time to set up your pipeline. Folk CRM allows you to create customized pipelines that reflect your sales or client management process. Add stages to your pipeline, such as initial contact, negotiation, or closed one. The beauty of Folk CRM is its flexibility. You can tailor the pipeline to match exactly how your business operates. And as you move clients through the stages, you can track their progress and make sure nothing falls through the cracks. Now, let's talk about automation. Folk CRM includes simple automation workflows that can help you stay on top of follow-ups, reminders, or sending out emails. You don't have to be constantly checking in on your CRM to make sure things are moving forward. Set up a few rules to trigger actions based on specific events. For example, if you tag a contact as interested, Folk CRM can automatically send them a personalized follow-up email. This saves you time and ensures consistency across all client interactions. Another standout feature of Folk CRM is its integration capabilities. If you're already using tools like Google Workspace, Slack, or Zapier, Folk CRM connects seamlessly with these to streamline your workflow. You can sync contacts, share updates, and automate tasks across multiple platforms, giving you even more control over your business. One thing I really appreciate about Folk CRM is its mobile app. Whether you're in the office or out on the go, the app lets you manage your contacts, deals, and tasks directly from your phone. It's a great way to stay productive and ensure that nothing slips through the cracks while you're away from your desk. Finally, as we wrap up, I want to remind you that Folk CRM is an incredibly user-friendly tool for small businesses looking to manage their customer relationships effectively. From contact organization to automation and seamless integrations, it offers everything you need to grow and scale. And remember, you can start using Folk CRM for free with our exclusive bonuses by clicking the link in the description below. This is a great opportunity to give it a try without any risk. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.